Step 1. Unpacking your Gardyn Home Kit 3.0. Let's get to know the parts of your garden by cautiously unpacking the box. First, take out your welcome kit containing 30 pre-seeded capsules called Y-Cubes, the plant food, the owner's manual, the care guide, and the accessory bag. Remove the column protection cardboard labeled number 1. Leave the column in the box for now. Next, remove the box labeled number 2 containing the 2 LED light bars. Set each aside. You may now remove the cardboard labeled number 3, plus the packaging protecting the lower blades attached to the lid, but don't remove the lid just yet. Take the middle column, which is the one with the strap on the top, out of the box and set it aside. You'll notice that the last module is unassembled. This is normal, and we'll guide you in the next video when it's time to assemble it. Carefully remove the lid from the box and set it aside. Be gentle with it, as the lower blades contain important metal connectors. Take the second and third columns out of the box and set aside. From here, the order you unpack doesn't matter as much. You'll remove the water tank, the power supply box, the upper structure box containing the 2 upper blades and the rod, and the Y-Pods box. Remove the transportation tape on the side of the water tank and set all of these aside. In some packages, the accessory bag is found inside the Y-Pods box. That's it! Continue to the next step to start assembling your garden.